everyone, welcome back to my kitchen and another installment of Torani Friday. Today we're going to be making you a delicious mojito style limeade, and that means there's going to be peppermint and lime to make a delicious, refreshing drink to go along with that delicious Cubano burger that we made earlier in the week, and we're keeping it Cuban style. Let's go see how this all comes together. It is Torani Friday, and today we are going to make a super refreshing mojito limeade. This is going to go right along with the delicious Cuban food we've been sharing this week. We made the Cuban style mojo seasoning rub, and then we did that amazing Cubano burger, and this mojito limeade is going to fall right in line with that whole menu, and it's going to go perfectly with that Cubano burger. So this couldn't be any more simple. I went out in my garden and I picked some fresh mint, but we love limeade. I love limeade, and so does Micah, so I always have a bottle of limeade. This is just simply limeade. It's very tasty, and I have about a pint of it here. We may only use half, but we're gonna mix some up with about 2 ounces of Torani peppermint syrup, because a mojito is a cocktail that is 100% Cuban, and it's rum and fresh mint and a little bit of simple syrup and lime, and that's it. It's absolutely delicious. So we've got some limes going, and what I have here, you can also do this with iced tea instead of limeade, and then you'll have a delicious like mojito style iced tea. Anything you add mint and lime to is going to be mojito style. So, well, I'm going to pour some limeade right here into this mason jar, just like that. I'm going to hit this with the peppermint syrup like that. I'm going to give it a really good stir. I'm going to squeeze a lime in here and go ahead and just leave it in there. I'm going to hit this with some of this mint, and then to top it off, I just have some sparkling water. No rum. This, you can add rum to this if you like. This is going to be alcohol free. If you want to add a shot of rum, I'm not going to say anything about that. You go right ahead. I'm going to give this a good stir, and there you go. There is your mojito limeade Torani style. I think that looks absolutely beautiful, totally refreshing, and it's going to be perfect to go along with those Cubano burgers. I know you're going to love it. I am smelling this, and I have to taste it. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's delightful. Do you want to taste it? Sure. It's not super heavy on the mint. It's just there in the background. It kind of cuts the tartness of the limeade a little bit. Yeah, it's very refreshing. It's super refreshing. It's absolutely gorgeous. So there you have it. A mojito limeade, totally alcohol free, but if you want it to have rum in it, who's to say you won't do that? Go for it. I hope you give this a try sometime soon. I will leave a link down below where you can find Torani peppermint syrup. And just so you know, they do not sponsor these videos. I do them because I seriously love their product, and I love playing with all the different flavors. This is my version of a mojito limeade. Give it a try. If you like today's video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my kitchen, welcome. I hope that you enjoy Torani Friday and come back for more. Please hit that subscribe button. If you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, as always, be sure and hit that bell notification button so you will get an email or push notification on your smartphone whenever we upload new content, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. So I hope you give this mojito limeade a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.